Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your subtraction skills? What is 6 minus 4? The answer is 2. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. What is 8 minus 5? The answer is 3. What is 7 minus 2? The answer is 5. What is 10 minus 6? The answer is 4. What is 12 minus 7? The answer is 5. What is 15 minus 9? The answer is 6. What is 18 minus 8? The answer is 10. What is 20 minus 5? The answer is 15. What is 25 minus 12? The answer is 13. What is 30 minus 14? The answer is 16. What is 22 minus 9? The answer is 13. What is 35 minus 17? The answer is 18. What is 40 minus 25? The answer is 15. What is 28 minus 13? The answer is 15. What is 32 minus 16? The answer is 16. What is 45 minus 20? The answer is 25. What is 50 minus 30? The answer is 20. What is 37 minus 19? The answer is 18. What is 60 minus 22? The answer is 38. What is 42 minus 21? The answer is 21. What is 55 minus 26? The answer is 29. What is 48 minus 24? The answer is 24. What is 65 minus 35? The answer is 30. What is 70 minus 45? The answer is 25. What is 66 minus 33? The answer is 33. What is 54 minus 29? The answer is 25. What is 63 minus 41? The answer is 22. What is 58 minus 39? The answer is 19. What is 75 minus 50? The answer is 25. What is 81 minus 36? The answer is 45. What is 67 minus 28? The answer is 39. What is 90 minus 55? The answer is 35. What is 88 minus 44? The answer is 44. What is 72 minus 46? The answer is 26. What is 95 minus 63? The answer is 32. What is 85 48? The answer is 37. What is 78 minus 31? The answer is 47. What is 92 minus 60? The answer is 32. What is 100 minus 75? The answer is 25. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any video.